Hi everyone, let's see how to use Anydesk. Well friends, open up your browser and type anydesk.com. Once you are here, you will see this button, download now. Just hit download now button and here you can see Anydesk is downloading. Okay, the download is complete. Now click on it and hit run. This is the main interface of Anydesk. When you open up Anydesk, it provides you an unique ID. Here it is. You will have to provide this ID to anyone who wants to connect your computer. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to connect a remote computer. So to connect a remote computer, you need to get remote computer Anydesk ID. I'm going to type their ID here. You can see enter remote address. Okay, now here on the right you can see arrow icon. Just hit connect and hit allow. Here you can see it's connecting and your remote person will see this interface where he will have to accept the request. Just click accept. Okay, here you can see I have got a remote computer through Anydesk.